In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create collection in Firestore database. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the Firebase console and that your project has Firestore enabled. Begin on the Firebase console homepage. In the left navigation, look for the section labeled Databases and Storage. Hover your mouse over it to reveal the available database products, then choose Firestore to open the Firestore dashboard for your project. Once Firestore loads, switch to the Data view. This is where you'll see your database structure and where you'll add new items. At the top of the collection list, select Start Collection. A panel opens where you'll define your new collection. Enter a collection ID. This is the collection's name, so pick something clear and consistent with your data model. Avoid spaces and special characters. Using lowercase with hyphens or underscores keeps things readable. When the name looks good, click Next to Continue. Now you'll create the first document inside this collection. In the Document ID field, you can type a custom identifier if you need something meaningful, like a known reference code. If you don't need to control the ID, click Auto ID and Firestore will generate a unique, collision-resistant identifier for you. Auto-generated IDs are great for most cases and help ensure scalability. Below the document ID, add the document's first field. Type a field name that describes the data you're storing, then choose the type that matches the value you plan to enter. For this walkthrough, select string and in the value box, type the text you want to store. Keep field names concise and consistent. They'll be used in your queries later, so clarity here saves time down the road. If you need multiple fields, you can add more rows before saving, but for a minimal example, one field is enough to create the collection and its first document. Take a moment to double-check your collection ID, the document's ID choice, and the field name, type, and value. When everything looks correct, click Save. Firestore writes the document, and you'll see your new collection appear in the sidebar, with the document and its fields visible in the data table. You can expand the collection to add more documents, or open the existing one to add additional fields as your data model grows. And that's it. You've created a Firestore collection, added its first document, and stored an initial field. From here, you can repeat the process to add more documents, or switch to your app code with the Firebase SDKs to read and write data programmatically.